up YouTube, I'm back with a video. Today we'll play another Dragon City and I'll show you how to breed the Blizzard Dragon today. I'll just wait for my Dragon City to load in to see what happens. Anyway, this is another Dragon City tutorial video. This is to help people breed the dragons and get a better life on Dragon City. So you are supposed to before you breed the dragon, you're supposed to have the main dragon, what you get, literally, flame dragon and the sea dragon. I'll just turn the game off. Oh, 1 sec. And I was very mad. Come on, load in. Sorry about that. My screen's bad. It's lagging again. Come on. Sorry if it's been wasting your time right now, but it really does lag and I can't help it. Anyway, here is the Blizzard Dragon and the Flame Dragon. So, see and flame. This will take about, but I can speed it up. But I'll be back with part 2 of what it looks like. I don't know how to pause videos and do all that. I'm just gonna see what this is. Okay. Don't know what that is. So, yeah. Back with part 2 after.